Hello friends, welcome back. This is Shruti Shami. Today I'm going to share a breakfast recipe, vegetable stuffed semolina pancake. You can use any leftover vegetables at home to make this healthy breakfast. So let's see how to prepare this. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to mix 1 cup of semolina flour with half cup of curd. Slightly mix it and add half teaspoon of baking powder and salt to taste. Also pour half cup of water. Mix well and allow the flour to rest for 30 minutes. While the flour is rising, we will prepare the stuffing. To a heated skillet, add 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Saute for a while and add 2 teaspoons of chopped green chili. Next add finely minced onion. With the help of a chopper, I have finely minced all the vegetables to reduce the cooking time. Next goes in the carrot. Next I'm adding the bell pepper. I've taken half of a bell pepper. Cook the vegetables until they are soft. Add salt to taste. Next goes in the spices. I'm adding a quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of chili powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and add mashed potatoes along with finely chopped coriander leaves. Combine all the ingredients, remove from flame and set aside. Next we'll have a check on our semolina mix. Flour has absorbed all the water. Add half cup of water to loosen the mix. Pour enough water to form a semi-fluid consistency, exactly to that of a idli batter. Once the batter is ready, add some chopped coriander leaves to bring extra flavor. Now we'll prepare the pancake. For that, to a heated pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter. Place 1 scoop of the batter at the center of the pan. Spread it evenly to form a round shape. Take a few quantity of the stuffing and flatten it between your palms. Place it above the pancake and cover it with another scoop of batter. Cover and cook for 3 minutes in medium flame. Flip and cook until it turns golden on both the sides. Once done, remove and place it on a serving plate. Continue the same with the remaining batter. So the veg-stuffed semolina pancakes are ready. You can serve it hot with tomato ketchup or green chutney. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please do give it a like and share it. Try to make this at home and leave your comments. I'm sure your family is going to love this. Thank you for watching.